This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 7 of rate conversions. We're going to do this problem here. I'm making this video in October 2012, so I looked up this information on the internet. The rate conversion for a euro, which is the kind of dollar they use in Europe, compared to a US dollar, which is what is used in the United States, the exchange rate was 1 euro dollar, right, is the same as $1.30 of a US dollar. Okay, so if you buy 1 euro over there, one of their dollar bills, it costs $1.30 in US dollars. And then I looked up how much gas in Belgium costs right now, and it was a 1.4 euro per liter. Now that's like $1.40, right, in euro dollars. Okay, I just wrote it as 1.4. So how much is that in US dollars per gallon? That's the question. And we're going to use the conversion that 1 gallon is 3.785. So there's two conversions you should see here. 1 euro is $1.30 US dollars, and 1 gallon is approximately 3.785 liters. All right, so let's see what we could do here. We're starting off with what? How much does it cost? Well, right now it costs 1.4 euros for 1 liter of gas. Right, so that's how much it costs right now in Belgium as I make this video. Okay, now I want to multiply it by some fraction that equals 1, right? So that the liters could cancel out or the euros could cancel out. So because I want to get dollars, US dollars in the numerator, because I want US dollars per gallon and gallons in the denominator. Let's do the money part first. So if we look up here, we see, 1 euro is the same thing as $1.30 US. Then I want the euro to be in the denominator to cancel out. So I'm going to put 1 euro is the same thing as 1, and I could write this as 1.3 or 1.30 US dollars. You could leave off these dollar signs as well. It's up to you. It might be easier to look at without that. There, here we go. Okay, now that means that we've got the euros canceled. And so right now my answer, if I kept it as it is and did 1.4 times 1.3, I would know how many US dollars per liter it cost. But we also don't want to keep it in liters, we want to do it in gallons, so we're going to use this next conversion factor. So what can I multiply by? I want the liters to cancel, so if the liters right now are in the denominator, so I'll put the liters in the numerator over 1 gallon. And I can see the liters cancel. You could write L or liter. And now what I've got is I've got US dollars in the numerator, and I've got gallons in the denominator. So we're going to have our answer in dollars per gallon, US dollars per gallon. So all we need to do is multiply those numbers out. And since we're talking about many, we will just round it to the nearest cent. And when I do that, I get, it's approximately 6.89. And I have the US dollars, right, over the gallons. And so how would we write that as an answer? We would just write that 6. So we're going to assume now we're talking about in US money, $6.89 per gallon. $6.89 per gallon. Oh, everybody's complaining over here it's about $4 a gallon or $4.50 or maybe even closer to 5, but as you can see, gas costs a lot more in Belgium, almost $7 per gallon. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.